to our friends from the media. So a quick brief. Today we have the Race to Gold Masters in Delhi. We've been conducting tournaments all year round on the grassroots level, and the idea was to give a platform and a roadmap for the players. So the top 4 players from every district and cities from all over India are participating in the Masters tournament, and the winner of this Masters in under 10, 12, 14 and the men's and women's, total 8 players will receive a scholarship of 75,000 each. This scholarship will of course include kitting, it will include their stay at Mumbai, and the highlight of this initiative would be that they will get a chance to play with one of the top players who was participating in the Tennis Premier League, which is going to be held from 3rd to 8 December at CCI in Mumbai. The league will be live on Jio Cinema and Sports 18, and players like Rohan Bopanna, Sumit Nagal, 2 times Grand Slam champion Max Purcell, Hugo Gaston, Alina Evanesian, who is currently world number 42, will be a part of the league. So our junior kids who would be winning here today will come to Mumbai, will rub shoulders with the top players, will be felicitated live on TV, will receive this scholarship, and after the entire program will get a chance to play a super tiebreaker with one of the top players playing in the league. So I would like to wish all the players all the very best, and please keep supporting us. Please do watch TPL live on Jio if you cannot make it to Mumbai, and please keep playing the tournaments. This is the first year of the Race to Gold initiative, and we plan to make it better and better for the players and create an opportunity where we can support them, and the end aim of this initiative is to produce an Olympic champion for tennis in India. So thank you very much, and please do keep supporting us. Mr. Aditya Khanna, whom you all know, is a very good player himself. He's won several tournaments. You can see how fit he is, and the same effort that he puts on the court, he's putting now behind the courts to grow tennis in India, and we're very happy to have his support, and I would like him to say a few words.
Good evening to the media. Thank you, Kunal, for the wonderful, kind words. So yes, this year I joined the Tennis Premier League as a strategic partner, and it's truly an honor for me to be associated with the biggest tennis league in Asia, and we're going to be the biggest tennis league in the world as well, with this format, which is the most unique, and it's a T20 of tennis actually, and in the split format, there's a growing audience, not even in India, but also internationally. Also now it is being recognized and being shown in international media, which is a huge win for TPL. If you see the progress which TPL has done in the last 5 years, it's just tremendous, with the number of players, with the quality of players also improving. As Kunal mentioned, that this year we have Max Purcell, we have Hugo Gaston, we have Alina, world number 42, and so the players are obviously at the highest level from the world, and also the top Indian players are playing. Rohan Bopanna, Sumit Nagal, and all the top Indian doubles players and women's players are playing this event. Obviously, we have the support of Leander Pace and Sania Mirza and Mahesh Bhuti, which is totally amazing, which no other league in tennis has ever had, and that is just wonderful. I've seen how much hard work both the founders, Kunal and Mrinal, have done, and it's great for me to be a part of this team to reach the vision, of course, of having an Olympic champion from India and a Grand Slam champion as well. And I think the initiative of the Race to Gold is one of the key factors, because through this there are about a number of kids who are getting a chance to be playing tournaments all across the country throughout the year, and the top players then get a scholarship and a chance to be associated with every team and be a part of team. So that sort of initiative is great for the juniors, because the juniors get to rub shoulders with the top players in the world, and that is the sort of exposure which they need, which no other platform will give to them. So I think it's great what is going on. It's great for me to be a part of the Tennis Premier League as a strategic partner, and to achieve the common vision of Indian tennis to have a Grand Slam champion and an Olympic champion. Thank you, Kunal, for having me as a part of your team.
First and foremost, we would like to thank Kunal for his fantastic initiative to do this Tennis Premier League for last 6 years. Believe you me, it is not easy to do an event like this. He has been absolutely passionate. I've seen him for last 6 years, and because we are also hosting this event here for last 6 years. The passion and the willpower and whatnot, he's done a great job. Off season, all our players are getting benefited. All senior players, junior players, women. So it's a great initiative, first and foremost. Secondly, now from this year, Aditya Khanna joined him also as a strategic partner. He is also equally passionate about the sport. He plays himself every day. He's been #1 player in India in senior circuit for a very, very long time and represented India. You see, all passionate guys have to come together to whoever think big, make a Grand Slam champion, Olympic champion. Otherwise, it will never happen. More people, such people can come together, and I'm sure if we give full support to our players, someday we will have a champion from India, and that will be the proudest moment for all of us. And this is a great initiative.